What if you could erase someone you loved? Every memory, every fight, every laugh, every moment that still hurts. Eternal Sunshine of Spotless Mind isn't just a movie, it's a quiet question about love, pain, whether forgetting really heals us. Hello, guys. Wait a minute. Now, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm Shashi Jain. Today I'm going to talk about this movie that feels less like a story and more like a memory. So in this movie review there are no spoilers, so you are good to go and watch this review. And even this film has color theory, you can say that. Even the hair color matters, like what stages the girl go through. So stay tuned to know that. So in this I'm going to introduce the people, the main characters, the Joel and the Clementine, the two imperfect couples who falls in love and fall apart, and they choose to erase the memories. So after a heartbreak, obviously, so there's this company promises a relief, like after an heartbreak you can choose to erase their memories, pain, every moment, every emotions that they went through, and they forget about the person too. What makes this movie hurt so deeply? Like, it doesn't romanticize love. It shows love as messy, awkward, repetitive. It shows how we hurt each other unintentionally and how we get bored, misunderstood, and distant. And even then, we still want to stay with each other. So, Clementine hair changes throughout the movie, but it's not just a style, it's an emotional language. Blue hair shows the sadness and emotional ruin, and Clementine calls it like a blue ruin. And that's exactly what it is. So this phase represents loneliness, emotional exhaustion, feeling unseen and unloved. Blue Clementine is drowning in her feelings but pretending she's fine. Actually, she's not. Changes into orange. It shows hope and new beginning. When Clementine met Joel, her hair changes into orange. Orange feels warm, curious, alive. This is Clementine hoping again, believing in love, and letting someone in even after the pain. And the next hair is green hair. It shows healing and rebirth. Green Clementine appears after the memory erase. It isn't innocent. Green represents growth, starting again, not because the past didn't matter, but because she survived it. It's emotional rebirth, not forgetting. Clementine here is like a timeline of a heart. So this movie quietly asks us, if you could erase pain, would you still be you? Pain shapes us, love changes us. Memories, even the painful ones, teaches us how to love better. Joel realizes that losing Clementine flaws means losing what she was, what her made her real, her own personality. And maybe that's the truth. Love isn't about perfection, it's about choosing someone again, even knowing how it might end. What do I feel about this movie? Like, love is not perfect. No one is perfect actually. It's messy and you have to choose that person and stay with them. We don't forget notification. So, Eternal Sunshine of Spotless Mind reminds us that after everything, we might still choose the same love. Because sometimes the most human thing we can do is love, lose, and try again. So, if you have watched this movie, do let me know in the comment section, and which hair color do you relate the most, and if you ever get the chance to erase the memory, would you erase that memory, that person, that laugh, that pain? So do let me know, and thank you for watching this. Love ya. Bye bye.